Hello, gardening aficionados. Today we're embarking on a captivating journey to explore the charming string of footballs, also known as Senecio radicans. Join us as we uncover its intriguing history, native range, unique description, ideal growing conditions, companion planting insights, and the various uses of this delightful plant. Travel back in time as we unravel the history of the string of footballs, member of the Senecio family. This plant, hailing from the rocky terrains of South Africa, has earned its nickname due to the distinct shape and pattern of its leaves. Its trailing stems are adorned with spherical bead-like leaves that closely resemble miniature footballs. This delightful feature, along with its succulent nature, makes it a delightful addition to both indoor and outdoor spaces. This resilient succulent thrives in well-draining soil and requires infrequent watering, making it a hassle-free choice for gardeners with busy schedules. Providing bright, indirect sunlight is key to its growth and vibrancy. Elevate your gardening game by pairing the string of footballs with complementary plants. Its cascading nature and unique leaf texture make it an excellent partner for other trailing or cascading succulents. This combination adds visual intrigue and a touch of elegance to any space. Beyond its aesthetic charm, the string of footballs offers multiple practical uses. Its succulent leaves store water, enabling it to tolerate periods of drought. This adaptability makes it an excellent choice for water-wise landscaping. Moreover, its dainty appearance is perfect for hanging baskets and living wall arrangements. There you have it, the enchanting world of the string of footballs, or Senecio radicans. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of nature's treasures. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening journeys into the realm of plants and living organisms. Happy gardening and farming to all!